Welcome back. Not a good day. My mp10 is absolutely stinking, basically covered in mud everywhere. The underneath, it's just falling off it. Because I've never had it this dirty before, and yeah, it's not a good sight. So I'm just going to give it a quick clean. So I'm going to start with taking all the wheels off. I like to spend a good hour or so cleaning this down. Just make sure it's absolutely spotless. Oh my God, look at those. Don't know if you guys can see it, but absolutely stinking, which is not good, but that's part of the game, isn't it? It's going to get dirty and you're going to have to clean them. If you don't clean them, then they won't last as long. So I like to give them a clean. It's quite relaxing, really, giving it all a good clean. I'll also be taking the engine out and the fuel tank as well, just so I can get in everywhere. And I will be using a little brush kindly donated to me by my girlfriend, and a few other brushes, and the Nitro blast, which is really good stuff. So I'll resume the video once I've taken everything apart. There it is, engine's out, fuel tank's out, all the wheel tyres are off, and I'll show you a close-up of this. It's not a good sight, guys. I'm actually quite upset. Look at this. Very messy on in there. That fuel tank is going to need a really good clean as well, but it is just caked in mud. So I'll just go ahead and start giving it a brush down. I also use a toothbrush. A toothbrush works really well, to be fair. So let's get all the big bits off. I got some good, really good plans for my Thunder Tiger. If you guys haven't seen it already, go check the video out. But let's just say I've ordered a couple of, improvements, as I can say. So yeah, keep an eye on that. I'm waiting for it to be shipped over, so I don't want to say too much. You guys will just have to wait and see what I got up my sleeve. And the underneath of that. This is solid. Why do I leave it get like this? Absolutely everywhere. Compressor a lot of people use, but can't quite afford one of them at the moment, so I'll have to save up, I think. Right, I'll go ahead, squirt my Nitro blast. Basically I just cover the whole thing in it. Prevents rust as well, which is good. And get my blue roll, I'll just give everything a good old wipe. and it's really good for getting fuel off anything as well. It's a degreaser, which is good. That Nitro Blast, really good stuff. Looking much better already. If you haven't already, guys, subscribe to the page. We've got lots going on at the moment. Loads of updates. We've got new things arriving. Things I want to test out, which is always good. Yeah, I don't want to bore you with just my car cleaning technique, so stay tuned for anything new, and hit the subscribe button, guys. So yeah, peace out. There, guys, the inside's more or less getting there now, which is a lot cleaner than what it was. So I'm going to go with the underneath now. I'll just give the underneath a quick clean, but look at the mess. That is not good. The state of that. A lot of cleaning up here, but then that's part of the game. So we'll have a look at the underneath now. Yeah, that's pretty mucky. So I'll pop the camera back and I'll go ahead and squirt the underneath with my Nitro Blast and give that a quick clean. Pop that over there. Really like using that stuff. Just breaks anything down and everything just wipes off. Get my toothbrush out again. Let's get inside these, and that mud just comes off. I also use some strong wipes, just give it a good scrub. There we are. Squeaky clean-ish. It's not too bad. But yeah, that's how I clean my car, guys. I'm gonna give these a really good soak and sort this smelly fuel tank out as well. There we are then. Car's getting pretty clean now, which is always good. So let's give you a quick close-up. It's a lot cleaner than what it was. So yeah, all good. So I've cleaned the tank as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back in now. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and do that now. There we have it, nice clean car. So but first what I'm going to change the air filter. Treated myself to a new pack of pre-oiled ones. I usually clean them, but you know, I thought I was going to bite the bullet and just buy some pre-oiled ones. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and change it now. This one is looking well overdue now, so it'd be good to get a nice blue one on there. Plus it will look quite good as well. Get that lovely, nice quick change. Yeah, there we have it. That is how I clean my car. Spotless again. Now just take it out on the weekend and get it dirty and clean it again. But thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe please. Thank you. Cheers.